Eric Mitsubishi. My name's Ruby and today we're doing a walk around video on something a little bit special to have in our used car stock. So here we have a 2019 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross in the black edition. Now I'll point out why this is the black edition along with the features of the car for you. So starting off at the front, you do have that nice black grille. Again, that would usually be chrome in the normal ES model, so being the black edition it is all blacked out. You do get the nice chrome surrounds to it though, that does really show off Mitsubishi's dynamic shield front, and you do also get the chrome badging right in the middle there as well, that does stand out against that black. Now, you do have really nice big projector headlights in this model, so again, going to give you heaps of visibility when you are driving at night, and you do get a daytime running light running through the bottom there as well. Fog lights and indicators just below that. Coming around to the driver's side, again being the black edition, you do get the black alloy wheels, so obviously really good condition on that wheel, really nice design and heaps of tread on that tyre. Now being the black edition, you do get the blacked out side mirror, colour matched door handle, and your indicator is built into that side mirror there just to help clean up your front quarter panel. Now again, black edition does get the proximity key as well, so standing near the car with the key in your pocket and locking and unlocking will lock and unlock the car with the button and fold your mirrors in as well. Looking on the interior, now being the black edition, it is based off of the ES model, so you do get the nice cloth seats with the really nice diamonds in the design there, and with all your manual adjustments, and then you do get all of your automatic windows as well, being the black edition. Now one thing about the Eclipse Crosses is this door does sweep underneath the body of the car, so when you are getting in and out, you're not going to get any dust or dirt or debris on the back of your pants either. So that's just a nice little touch that Mitsubishi's gone with there. You do have privacy glass on the back windows, so one thing I'd highly recommend is putting tint on the front windows and then a heat shield on the back ones as well, to give you all of the benefits of tint, but obviously without the darkness. So definitely well worth it. Is an additional cost, but please ask us about that. Black roof rails on the top as well, and then on the bottom you do get that really nice plastic trim through with the black strip through it as well in the piano black as well. Again, really nice black wheel on the back. Coming around to the back of the vehicle, again obviously pointing out all of the black features, you do get the black rear spoiler, and your rear windscreen washer and wiper does just sit up there, so that is really nice, so no one's going to be able to break it, and it does just disguise it a little bit as well. Brake light runs through the back of the rear window, and then opening it up, heaps of storage in the back with your cargo blind, and then your spare wheel just underneath the floor there. So heaps of room in the back of the car for you. Now you do get a reverse camera as well, so obviously that's pointed towards the left a little bit, so it's going to give you more visibility when you are parallel parking as well. 4 colour matched reverse sensors along that black rear splitter as well. Fuel filler cap is on the passenger side, so again that is just the safe side of the vehicle, so if you are having to fill up on the side of the road in oncoming traffic, you don't have to worry about being hit by that oncoming traffic. Working our way down, again obviously presents the exact same as the other side, and does just look incredible in that titanium colour with all of that black accessorising. So what we'll do now is we'll pop open the bonnet and have a look at the engine. Just looking under the bonnet now, you've got a 4-cylinder 1.5 litre turbo petrol engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox, so those gear changes are going to feel really nice and smooth for you. On the safety side of things, you have a 5-star NCAP safety rating with 7 airbags throughout, so obviously you and all of your passengers are going to be nice and safe in the vehicle. Now you do produce 110 kilowatts of power and 250 newton meters of torque with this engine. And then on the petrol side of things, you've got a 63 litre capacity tank. You can run this car on 91 or above, and obviously really fuel efficient on this car as well. About 7.3 litres per 100 kilometres, giving you an average distance of 863 kilometres to a tank as well. Now you do have this extra 3-point strut bracing as well along the back of the engine bay there. That's just going to give you a lot better handling and support as well while you are driving the vehicle. Right guys, inside the Eclipse Cross now, starting on the driver's side door, you've got a few different textures here. So you've got a nice black vinyl, piano black, normal black cloth, black leather, and the almost carbon fibre black sort of trim on there as well. All your power window controls, mirror controls are on the handle, and you do have a nice button that does just fold your mirrors in for you. On the base here you have all of your power window controls, and they are all for automatic up and down. Central locking as well, and then your window lock, so if anyone in the back is a bit annoying playing with the windows, you can just lock them out. Just behind the steering wheel you do have your front collision mitigation settings, so far, mid and short, so please ask us about that one if you did want more clarification on it. Traction control and parking sensors on and off, and then you also have a nice little dial that changes the angle of your headlights as well. So if, say you've got a bit of weight in the back of the car and your headlights are pointing up, you can bring them back down. On the right hand stalk here, we have all of our indicator controls left and right, fog light controls, high beams, headlights, and your auto high beams as well. Now you do also have automatic headlights, so you can just leave it on auto and the car will do all of the work for you. And then on our left hand stalk we do have automatic wipers for the front, and then obviously all of your rear washer and wiper controls as well. On the steering wheel itself, really nice leather wrap steering wheel with the piano black finish through it as well. On the right hand side you have all of your cruise control settings and your speed limiter as well. Left hand side you have all of your media controls, so your volume seeking mode and your Bluetooth as well. Just behind the steering wheel you do have your paddle shifters as well, so obviously if you did put the car into the sports shift you can shift through your gears with those. Moving into the center screen, now really nice display with this one, it does have a nice pop-up to it. You do have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, AM FM radio, digital radio, normal Bluetooth connectivity, USB, all of that as well. A few different settings as well, and then a nice tutorial for the whole screen along with the trackpad that you do have as well to go with it. So it is a bit different from anything else Mitsubishi has, but it's definitely one of the best. It is a full touchscreen as well, so you don't just have to use the trackpad, you can lean across and use the touchscreen. Just below that you have all of your passenger seatbelt alarms along with your hazard lights, so nice and easy to locate if you did need them. All of your climate control settings. Now it is single zone climate control, so temperature and fan speed are on the bigger buttons, and then all your other buttons in the middle. Now you do have an eco mode as well, so if you did want to run the car just a bit more economically you can. 2 USB sockets and a 12 volt socket as well. Fair bit of storage down the bottom there, so that's really good for you. Automatic shifter, now you do get a really nice display camera when you do put the car into reverse as well, as I mentioned outside. Green lines to help guide you in, red one to show you when to stop, and then you can also see your rear bumper there as well. So if you are getting really close to something, you know how close you are. Now obviously you can drive it like a normal automatic or shift it across into the sports shift and shift through your gears manually, or you can just drive it like a normal automatic as well. Trackpad as mentioned before with a few buttons as well, so nice and easy to use, and it does give you a little sound as you swipe across everything. Hard handbrake as well, so again nice and easy to use. 2 nicely sized cup holders and a nice leather wrapped armrest that does give you heaps of storage in a little tray and in the console itself. Now I'll just get my camera person to pan up, show you that we do have a beautiful black roof lining as well in this vehicle, and then he'll run through the interior of the car and then we'll jump outside and wrap up the video. Step our walk around video on this stunning titanium Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross in the black edition. I hope it's given you some insight as to why this is the right car for you, and has helped really solidify that decision making for you as well. Now the number to call if you do want to book a test drive on this car is 9907 0555. Now just a couple things before I go. Please have a chat to us about the service plans that we do offer that will extend your factory warranty as well for another 5 years or up to 200,000 kilometres, whatever comes first, and give you 10 years of roadside assist as well with this vehicle. So please ask us about that one. Please also ask us about glass coat and tint packages as well that we have available, so we can help you out with those ones, help you protect your new investment and your exterior paintwork of your new investment as well, from bird droppings, bat droppings, insect etching, fading, bug damage, all of that fun stuff that we don't like to happen to our paintwork. We'll help you protect against that. Now please ask to chat to our friendly finance team as well. Mario and Julie will be happy to tailor a package to suit your needs and your budget as well. So please don't hesitate when you are adding these things in. they will help make it nice and seamless for you. And just one more thing, please go check out our Google reviews, sitting on 4.8 stars with over 1,000 reviews at the moment. So again, you can be assured you're dealing with a reputable dealership, dealing with the right people, and buying a great quality car as well. So just before I go, number to call is 9907 0555. My name's Ruby, and thank you for watching.